Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the next topic, hematinics. Hematinics means what? Hematinics are the agent which are used for the prevention and treatment of anemia. Uh, so, uh, in this topic we will learn about the hematinics, anemia, then iron, folic acid, vitamin B12 and hematopoietics. The iron, folic acid, vitamin B12 and hematopoietics are the hematinics which are used in the treatment of anemias. Here is some basic introduction about the hematinics. So hematinics are the substance which require in the formation of blood and are used in the treatment of anemias. Anemia occurs when the balance between production and destruction of RBC is disturbed, and this production and balance is disturbed by the acute or chronic blood losses, then impaired red cell formation due to the deficiency of essential factor, that means deficiency of iron, vitamin B12, and also deficiency of folic acid, and bone marrow depression, that is the hypoplastic anemia, and also erythropoietin deficiency. Then RBC is disturbed by the production and destruction of RBC is disturbed by the also increased destruction of RBC, that is called as hemolytic anemia. There are the four main types of anemia. First one is iron deficiency anemia. It is due to the insufficient iron. Then the second one is megaloblastic anemia. Is due to the deficiency of vitamin B12 and vitamin B9, that is also called as deficiency of cobalamin, that is vitamin B12, and folate, that is vitamin B9. And then next is aplastic anemia, which is developed as a result of bone marrow damage. And last one is hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia is the blood disorder, and that occurs when your RBC are destroyed faster than they can be replaced. Okay. Then here is the symptoms of anemia. On the eyes, yellow color of eyes, that is yellow, eyes show yellowing color, and red in severe anemia. When severe anemia is there, the eyes shows red in color. Then on the skin, paleness, coldness, yellowing skin. Then on the respiratory, shortness of breath, muscular weakness. On the intestinal, change stool color. And then on the central, fatigue, dizziness and fainting occurs. Then on the blood vessels, low blood pressure is there. On the heart, palpitation, rapid heart rate, chest pain, angina, heart attack is occurs. On the spleen, spleen is enlarged. And there are some symptoms of anemia. To treat anemia, the various hematinics are used. Hematinics are the substances required in the formation of blood, and also agent that stimulate the production of RBCs or increase the amount of hemoglobin in the blood. We all about know that the anemia, in the anemia condition of anemia, the level of hemoglobin is low, and that's why the hematinics are used to increase the amount of hemoglobin in the blood. There are the four main hematinics are used to treat the anemias. First one is iron, then folic acid, then vitamin B12 and hematopoietics. In that hematopoietics, erythropoietin are used, that is called as epogen. Then the granulocyte erythropoietin is the glycoprotein hormone and produced by the kidney, and which is synthesized in the response of hypoxia, and it regulates the blood cell proliferation. Okay, and then the GCSF, that is the granulocyte colony stimulating factor. It is a glycoprotein and that stimulate bone marrow production of red blood cell, also stimulate the production of granulocyte, macrophages and platelet. Then the next is GM-CSF, and that is the granulocyte macrophage colony stimulating factor, and that is also called as malgramostatin, and it is the colony stimulating factor and which is produced in the body by many types of cell, and it helps in the separation of granulocyte and macrophage pathway with the enhancement of cell function. Okay, thank you.